alright. So I'm having a walk up to Letna Park now. Get some fresh air. It's probably best if you get the tram up here. There's a lot of steps, so the tram goes to the far side and then you can walk into the park. But there's numerous flights of steps that go up to the park on either side. And you're overlooking the river again and parts of the city. Here we go. And there's graffiti everywhere up here. Whether the authorities tolerate it, I don't know. They may encourage it. Everywhere you go, graffiti. You've got some great views over the city again. This is a Prague Metronome Clock. A fully working metronome clock. And it was erected in 1991. Exactly in the same place that a statue of Stalin was situated. But that was demolished in 1962. Well, a quick Google search on why is there so much graffiti in Letna Park, and I thought it would be just tolerated or accepted by the authorities, but apparently it's now classed as vandalism, although it was self-expression. But it's basically vandalism, as they say. But whether the authorities do anything about it, I don't know. Maybe they let the youth just express themselves. There are two bowl-shaped structures up here, and these were part of the structure that held the Stalin statue, and these still remain. There's even graffiti in the trees, carved into the trees. Who knows how thick that ice is, but it looks like it's thinning and thawing in the middle there, and you get people over there just walking on it, taking selfies, photo shoots. So we're out wandering again, late afternoon. We took a wrong tram, but we got off and we're just wandering around. The things you come across when you're not intending to go there. Anyway, this is part of the hunger wall that we went to yesterday at Petrin Hill. Whether this started further down years ago or whether that was the actual start, or whether it went to the river. These sculptures are called the victims of communism. It's a different slant on the man can piss. Little statues in Belgium. These are big man can piss statues.